Hello friends, welcome to my video of deconstructing the Club C85. So simply run through a knife, the X-Acto blade, through the lace guard. I run through the outside, through the middle as well, and I try to keep the inside intact. To make this fun, I reverse the tongue. If you cut through the middle part properly, the tongue will come out. And once I reversed it, simply just stitch it with some thread to make sure it doesn't come off. So this is the best part, lacing it back together. So I start lacing the base by going through the holes without the lace guard, and only going through the lace guard through the third hole. And to finish it off, I made a cut on the heel to finish the deconstructed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks.